What's up, guys? This is Willie from Weather Galaxy, and today I'm out here in Winter Storm Jonas, as this thing has dropped over 2 feet of snow right outside DC. Yeah, and as you can see, this is just amazing how much snow. They're saying should be another 2-3 inches falling, but just in the last hour, as you can see, this stuff has fallen. But this storm is just massive. As you can see, like freaking trenches. This is just amazing. I'll upload some more videos later in the day, just walking around showing just all the snow. So for now, see you guys.